2012, Artec 3D released Artec Studio 8, which featured a brand new fusion and new texturing. As well, Artec developed texture tracking. For the first time in the industry, the color of the object could be used for 3D tracking. That same year, Artec 3D released a new handheld scanner onto the market, Artec Eva, which became the world standard in this class of professional equipment. In 2013, real-time fusion came to Artec Studio 9. Artec Studio 10 brought auto-align and new powerful tracking to our users in 2014. Autopilot, by far the most favored feature among all beginners, as well as a serious tool for every professional, arrived in 2016 with Artec Studio 11. The exceptional Artec Studio 12 brought high speed, new usability, and enhanced performance to our customers. That was in 2017. 2018 saw the launch of two new scanners, Leo and Ray, and the need to process significantly larger volumes of data. As a result, the 3D rendering engine in Artec Studio 13 was entirely redeveloped, and this opened the gates for many new as well as future features and possibilities. It delivers true freedom to our users across the board. 3D scanning has just become that much easier. But what's especially interesting is that all Artec users can benefit from the latest software features. The new and improved scanning experience, superior inspection capabilities, together with the boost in performance, will all be a very nice bonus for owners of Space Spiders, Evas, and even older Artec scanners. And what's more, all our users will notice the true-to-life color capture in the new Artec Studio. Let's talk about some of the specifics. 3D radar is a revolutionary feature in Artec Studio 13. We've created a dynamic and effective tool for helping users more easily control the scanning distance for collecting quality data. Now you can see blue, green, yellow, and red projected directly onto your scan data in real time. Blue means that you're too far away from the object and need to redo that area, whereas yellow and red signal that you're too close. If you see any uncolored areas, they're simply out of range and aren't being captured. Green confirms that you're exactly where you should be. So just paint everything in green, and you're sure to have a quality scan in your computer. 3D radar doesn't switch on for preview mode, because preview is the time to adjust texture brightness and other settings. After you have made these settings changes, simply start scanning and 3D radar will be there with you every step of the way, making perfect scans both straightforward and trouble-free. We've put a lot of effort into making global registration more robust in Artec Studio. As a result, global registration has new algorithms in version 13 and is now 250% more effective when selecting objects. This extends real freedom to our users when scanning very large objects at the highest resolution and with a minimum of mistakes. In Artec Studio 13, there are two new ways to evaluate global registration. These are max error and X-ray. Max error is a simple method for checking the quality of global registration just before running Fusion. It highlights bad frames in yellow, orange, and red. Green indicates good scanning results. For geometry inspection, we've introduced X-ray mode, which is extremely effective for working with noisy scans. Now it's so easy to detect even tiny misalignments. Another new feature, called mirroring, is available in the latest version of Artec Studio. It can mirror your completed fusion in all XYZ axes, which is particularly useful for our users in orthopedics and engineering. And we're excited to introduce a highly practical navigation tool, the Cube. It makes handling scan data all the easier and more fun. Artec Studio 13 is a powerful and universal tool for unleashing the extensive potential of the full spectrum of Artec 3D scanners.